retired campus pastor, Reverend Brooke Rolston here, commonly known as Your Grace, is which is how I call him, address him, and I'm not calling him Your Holiness. And as soon as he looks up, he's going to see the drawing in progress, Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights Art Series 53, a memorial to Archbishop Oscar Romero. Hang on, I got to turn the light on. Okay, you can look. You can look. You can look up. Look up. So this is in progress.
Oh my goodness! Oh, that man.
So as you know, in recent years I've replaced much of my drawing of wings with allegorical sea monsters.
Yes, yes.
And we also have I did these two insect-like creatures this morning.
Oh, you've just done those.
This one, which is kind of fanciful, has a big grinning mouth there.
Yes.
And this one here, which kind of has like a lizard's head and
yes,
tongue.
It does. So Akiva, this is the first, I believe, of the subjects that you've drawn that I have at least a place attachment to. I have never been to Warsaw. I've never been to the places that you've shown me before, Krakow. But I have been to the place where Monsignor Romero was murdered. I have been to where his body is buried. Oh, dear God.
What do you think of the drawing?
It's excellent. It's excellent.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my gosh, yes. It's a wonderful drawing of him.
Oh, good, thanks.
I believe, yes.
And what do you think
the
of the
lightness and the determination in his face? It's very good.
And here's something I'm going to point out.
I was going to say, have you put horns on him?
Well, see the, turn around.
Yes, it's Bonhoeffer.
See the blue strips of paper?
Yes, I do.
Above my great-grandmother's head there. And,
I do.
The righteous of the alley
Yes,
style.
yes.
And I did the same thing here, but then I decided the other day to draw sea monsters in there. Allegorical. So you think of like Christian sculptures, engravings, paintings of Moses. So many of them
with lightning.
Where it's horns, unlike the Jewish translation from the original Aramaic. The Jewish Bible was written in Torah, where it's rays of light. So in lieu of Moses' horns as Christian depictions, I've given them,
You've given them
allegorical sea monsters. And I was thinking about this morning. Aside from Christian supremacy and racism against non-Christians, the whole 1,500 or however many thousand years at least history of that.
Yes.
Christian internecine warfare of Christians killing Christians.
Yes.
Protestants versus Catholics.
Yes.
Even into recent times, like in Northern Ireland, for example.
Yeah.
And it's all very strange to me. I don't know what to make of it.
Yeah.
And I don't know. Anyway, I'm glad that you like it. I completed these yesterday, and I'm actually personally really pleased with how this one turned out, especially on that one.
Yes.
Yeah.
The one on the left is truly wonderful.
Okay. Great. I had to give someone like I have to think of his name now, an artist famous for The Temptation of St. Anthony. I have to give them a run for their historical money, like hundreds of years ago. Wow. With engravings and so on.
I am again amazed that you can take on a subject so serious, Oscar Romero, and then surround it with whimsy.
Keep in mind, go ahead, sorry.
It's a wonderful thing. It's
Keep in
part
mind
of the
my
balance.
dedication to teaching children over the years in schools and stuff.
Yeah.
And that's one of the reasons why wings worked really well for teaching, and then allegorical sea monsters as well.
Yes. Yeah. Oh my Jesus. I like this one.
Oh, good. Good. Good.
Oh, and I love this toothy one.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
Good.
yeah. Go sea monsters.
Muchas gracias, señor.
Por nada, amigo.
Okay, there you
Claro.
have it. I'm going to turn this over.
Ay, Akiva, thank you
Thank you.
again.